Dead by Daylight server down? Here's why. Are you trying to play Dead by Daylight today, but suddenly you're facing a server error where you can't connect to the game? Don't worry. Your game or device may not be the problem. This can happen when Dead by Daylight is preparing for a new update or server maintenance. When a new update is being released, the developers may temporarily take the servers offline while they apply the changes. If you're seeing messages like connection error, server unavailable, or you're stuck while connecting, don't panic. First, check the official Dead by Daylight website or social media to see if there's any maintenance or update announcement. If maintenance is happening, you don't need to reinstall the game or change anything on your device. Just wait a little while and try again later. Once the update and server maintenance are finished, the server should come back online and you should be able to play normally. So, if you're facing this problem today, don't worry. It's most likely related to the upcoming update or server maintenance. Just give it some time, keep checking the official updates, and you'll hopefully be back in the fog soon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more gaming fixes.